Hello and welcome to the third video in a Freshservice series on IT Operations Management, or ITOM for short. This time we're looking at artificial intelligence for IT operations, which is commonly called AIOps. Let's start with the definition. So AIOps is the use of machine learning and big data capabilities to automate various IT operations processes. There are many potential AIOps capabilities or use cases such as alert correlation, alert escalation, auto remediation, capacity optimization, intelligent alerting, and root cause analysis. I'll return to some of these in more detail later. One of the key attributes of AIOps solutions is that they use machine learning to filter out the unwanted monitoring noise in event streams. This filtering helps to avoid IT operations staff becoming overloaded with meaningless alerts. Another is the intelligence that machine learning brings to understanding the data that matters. This includes understanding the data in context. For example, when issues happen at certain times or suggesting new alert rules based on historical data patterns. When employed well, AIOps solutions detect, diagnose and resolve issues before end users are even aware there's an issue. Thus, they lessen the impact of IT issues and remove the need for end users to contact the IT service desk for help. Ultimately, AIOps solutions allow IT organisations to see and do much more than they can with humans and traditional monitoring tools alone. Consequently, they better deliver against business technology enablement needs. As with most business changes, the key drivers for AIOps relate to the triumvirate of better, faster and cheaper operations and outcomes. But the complexity of modern IT environments is a driver too, significantly increasing the alert noise level for IT operations. However, this is the technology provider view of AIOps. Instead, we should look at AIOps solutions through a business lens, such that their introduction and exploitation link to one or more business strategies, goals, challenges or opportunities, such as increasing revenue, margins and profit, reducing costs, improving the service experience, delivering against the increased expectations of IT, the need to scale up operations, speeding up change and innovation, addressing people-related limitations, meeting governance, risk and compliance needs and legal or regulatory requirements, and getting greater insight into IT and business operations and issues in real time. AI, or machine learning in particular, has transformed traditional ITOM capabilities. For example, in terms of intelligent or predictive alerting, where machine learning uses historical data to understand the future, i.e. a given set of alerts or infrastructure attributes is a sign that something will eventually fail or perform unexpectedly. Corrective actions can thus be taken before an issue impacts business operations. Event prioritization, where AIOps solutions learn from your organisation's incident and event data to understand the likely business impact of a predicted or actual event, i.e. which IT or business services are affected, how badly, and what it means to business operations and outcomes, such that events are prioritised in real time based on their business context and people can focus on what matters most. Root cause analysis, where AIOps uses event patterns and service topologies to identify the root causes of service issues. Auto remediation, where the AIOps solution understands there's an issue that needs fixing and what the required fix is. This fix is applied automatically, either with or without human authorization, using native capabilities or third-party tools via orchestration. Capacity and cost optimization, where AIOps solutions understand how business demand for IT services and that the IT infrastructure that supports them changes over time. For instance, by recognizing seasonal peaks and troughs. As a result, AIOps solutions can automatically scale or shrink the available infrastructure and the associated costs to meet the predicted future demand. That's it for this AIOps video. In the fourth video in this ITOM series, I'll talk about how to select an ITOM solution. To be alerted of this and for more ITSM and ITOM content, please subscribe to the Freshservice YouTube channel. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. Bye.